Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my last tutorial in Kotlin series in which I am going to explain a very unique feature of Kotlin that is called Lambda Expressions. So I will use the Lambda Expressions regarding initialization of collections. Like if I want to initialize my list of collection list type, integer type, or I can initialize of any type. It may be string, boolean, double, whatever you want. But here I am giving example of only list of integer type. Then I can put here list int, then size, suppose 5 element, and then the lambda expression. You see, this is the initialization of list. This is optional field right now. I can remove this one also, like this. 5 element in a list, and here is a lambda expression. In this lambda expression, if I write 4, that means all the element will be initialized with 4. You see the example, the value of this. You see, if I display if I run the program, you will see the display. All the element in a list will be initialized with 4. You see, because in lambda we have put here 4. If I put here 10, so all 5 element in a list will be initialized with a 10. See the output. Or if other you want to put some other information you want to add, for example, if I want to add some other value like I want to add for example value equal to value math dot random function and less than 100 in a random, and this value is where, and here I can display the value like this. This is integer, this should be converted into integer dot to int like this. If I run this, it will generate a 5 random element less than 100 and automatically will be initialized like this. You see the value which I am passing here, this is the last element which I am passing here, it is coming from this random element. So this random element will running 5 times and less than 100 value will be display in this series. So this is the use of lambda expressions regarding initialization of list or collections. It may be list, it may be set, it may be map, it may be anything. Whatever you want to initialize, you can initialize string value, you can initialize double value, but here I am initializing only integer value by using a lambda expressions. Okay, bye, see you again.